And my first question, what can be better than to learn a language, learn programming language? Yes, you're right. Learn 2 programming languages. And I've created this channel for different technical solutions like integrations and software and products. And more I have started seeing this couple of languages are demanded, are required. And I've checked, they are top 3 popular languages in 2025. So you can just imagine how many products and solutions will be built using this language. And even if AI will take over your job, let's imagine in future you don't need to write it, but you need to review. So jumping in, why this course is needed. So JavaScript and Python, as I mentioned, are in top 3 in terms of popularity and amount of tools, solutions and modules and things that built in this language. Second, they are very in-demand languages in the job search. So it's not like a combination like be a full stack engineer with knowing JavaScript and Node.js. No, now people want you to know Python on the backend and some framework in front end based on JavaScript. Item 3, top choice for data science, AI, machine learning, scripting, automation. Yeah, really this is about Python. And Python is also beginner friendly, and both languages have a huge community and cool ecosystem built on top of them. And in this course we will do comparison between those 2 languages. We will learn basics, we will try it in action, we will interact with those languages in different forms. So, and a little bit about myself. I'm Dima. I spent like more than 10 years in software development, like a software engineer or integration engineer. And my main focus is front end and JavaScript, TypeScript development. And here links for my YouTube and LinkedIn. And also I worked in such domains like B2B payments, crypto, advertisement, e-commerce and others. And a brief example what we will touch in the next lesson. So here is like a high level comparison of those both languages. So if you're interested, please subscribe, like my video and see you soon. Bye.